So it's a great emotion. It feels incredibly deep in terms of historical presence and connection with the water, which is the reason why Venice is there. So it's a great pleasure to see this kind of practices still ongoing. So it's a
Yes, this is the first time, and I was very excited to see it because, of course, it's my first time seeing it with the costumes and how strong they are paddling, and there's different types. They were very into it. They seemed very competitive, and you could tell that they put a lot of effort and passion into this.
It was just great. Yeah, it was great because we from Zurich, Switzerland, we have got some traditional boat races as well, but not with a rowing boat. And this was just fantastic. The old historic boats looked so well. Okay. I sang in the opera song of Le Due Foscari, and we had the boat race there in the opera. And by chance, we arrived yesterday, and we found out that today the historic boat race is on, and that's why we wanted to watch it, because we sang and we saw now.